Shiba Inu is going to have their own wallet. Now, it is going to be associated with Shibarium. This was revealed in the documentation, the Shibarium documentation that came out a few days ago. But this is something that's worth talking about and worth noting because, quite frankly, this is a pretty interesting piece of utility for the go forward Shiba Inu ecosystem. So, coming from the dev organization that's actually developing Shibarium for the for the Shiba Inu dev team is a new wallet. And so the wallet is supposed to help with seamless asset transfers, storage. I'm sure it'll offer additional utility, but it is primarily going to be associated and work with obviously Shibarium. And ultimately, I think the goal, if you kind of think about the demographic of who owns Shiba Inu and things like that, to make it easier to use this forthcoming wallet, let's call it a Shibarium wallet, if you will, with dApps and different projects that will be launching on the Shibarium, the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain. This is really interesting if you consider the thousands and thousands of projects that are lining up and ultimately looking to launch their respective projects on Shibarium when we do get the mainnet launch. Okay, so a wallet makes sense when you factor in all these different other projects that will be be hooking in the ability to use that wallet in context with with their their respective projects. Add to that, probably making it easier for individuals to maybe fiat money in and out of crypto. It's kind of a pain right now to to move money into crypto. I usually have to bring it into a centralized exchange or something like that. So it may have that. Now, they didn't specifically say that, but I'm just kind of thinking out loud here, a way to, so anything to make it easier for, us, the end users, retail investors, well, just people and just in general that are involved in crypto to interact with different aspects of projects and things of that nature, as well as just moving crypto in and out, asset transfer, storage. So this is a big deal. This is something that's coming. So forthcoming wallet. This is new. This is something that I think was everybody kind of overlooked when they were looking at the Shibarium documentation. So I'm really excited about this. This is more utility, guys. This is more good stuff coming around Shibarium. So thanks, and I'll be back later. Have a good one. Go make some money. Take care. Bye.